In an era defined by rapid development and growing environmental concerns, how do we ensure that progress doesn't come at the expense of our planet? The answer often lies in meticulous planning and foresight. Today, we're exploring the bedrock of responsible development, environmental impact assessment guidance. This isn't just a set of rules, it's a strategic roadmap that helps balance ambition with environmental preservation, ensuring projects are not just successful, but truly sustainable. At its core, an environmental impact assessment, EIA, is a systematic, step-by-step process designed to evaluate the potential environmental impacts of a proposed project before it begins. EIA Guidance comprises the set of principles, methodologies, and legal frameworks that direct this entire process. It's legally mandated in many countries, driven by the need to foster transparency, promote sustainability, and ensure long-term environmental protection. Essentially, it's the instruction manual for making sure development doesn't harm ecosystems, human health, or biodiversity. Adhering to robust EIA guidance is absolutely critical for several reasons. Predicting environmental effects. It provides the framework for forecasting potential impacts, from changes in air and water quality to effects on wildlife and natural habitats. Identifying mitigation strategies. It helps pinpoint ways to avoid, reduce, or compensate for negative impacts, and enhance positive ones. Engaging the public and stakeholders. Guidance ensures transparency and provides structured avenues for communities and interested parties to voice concerns and contribute insights. Supporting better decision-making. It equips decision-makers with comprehensive, objective information, leading to more informed and responsible project approvals. Ensuring long-term sustainability. By integrating environmental considerations early, EIA Guidance helps ensure projects are environmentally sound and comply with legal and regulatory standards, contributing to a truly sustainable future. A strong EIA, built on sound guidance, typically includes several essential elements. 1. Project description. A clear, detailed overview of the proposed project, its purpose, and its various components. 2. Legal and policy context. Identification of all relevant national, regional, and international environmental laws, policies, and standards. 3. Baseline environmental studies. A comprehensive description of the existing environmental and socio-economic conditions in the project area, serving as a reference point. 4. Impact analysis. A thorough assessment of the predicted positive and negative impacts across various environmental components, e.g., air, water, soil, biodiversity, noise, land use, social aspects. 5. Public consultation and engagement. Documenting the process of involving affected communities and other stakeholders. 6. Mitigation measures and alternatives. Proposing specific actions to reduce adverse impacts and exploring alternative project designs or locations that might be more environmentally friendly. 7. Reporting and decision-making. Compiling all findings into an EIA report, or environmental impact statement, for review by authorities and the public, leading to a formal decision. 8. Monitoring and environmental management plan. Outlining ongoing surveillance to ensure compliance with commitments and the effectiveness of mitigation measures. The EIA process itself follows a logical sequence, guided by established methodologies. 1. Screening. The initial step to determine if a project requires a full EIA, a less detailed assessment, or is exempt. 2. Scoping. Defining the specific environmental aspects and potential impacts that will be studied in detail, narrowing the focus to the most significant issues. 3. Impact analysis. The in-depth phase where impacts are predicted, characterized, e.g., magnitude, duration, reversibility, and evaluated against baseline conditions and thresholds. 4. Mitigation measures. Proposing concrete actions to minimize or offset negative impacts identified during the analysis. 5. Reporting. Documenting all findings, methodologies, and conclusions in a formal EIA report. 6. Review and decision-making. The report is reviewed by regulatory bodies and potentially the public, leading to a decision on project approval, often with conditions. 7. Monitoring and compliance. Post-approval, ongoing monitoring ensures that mitigation measures are implemented effectively and environmental conditions are maintained within acceptable limits. EIA guidance is often tailored to different types of projects and contexts. Preliminary assessment, a rapid evaluation for projects with potentially minor impacts. Full EIA, a detailed and comprehensive assessment for projects with significant potential impacts. Strategic environmental assessment, C, applied to policies, plans, and programs at a higher, strategic level, rather than individual projects. Marine EIA, specifically focused on projects in coastal and marine environments, addressing unique aquatic impacts. Sector-specific EIAs, guidance for particular industries, such as building construction and infrastructure, focusing on waste management, noise, dust, traffic impacts, land use changes, and community disruption. Mining, energy, waste management. Each sector has unique environmental challenges requiring specialized assessment criteria. In essence, environmental impact assessment guidance is the essential compass for modern development. By systematically identifying, predicting, and mitigating potential negative environmental impacts, EIAs contribute directly to achieving sustainable development, ensuring that our projects are environmentally sound, legally compliant, and ultimately beneficial for all. We hope this comprehensive look into environmental impact assessment guidance has provided clarity and valuable insights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content on environmental and social impact assessment. For in-depth resources and practical tools to guide your sustainable projects, visit assessmentstools.com.